Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the chart of AT&T short-term trend, and what you can see here that rather than taking support over here, the stock has already or actually moved to the lower end of the range and has taken support over there. So here you have your support, last two uh, big support or last two supports on the lower end of the range, and below which one should not carry any position if you want to be inside the trend, and from where the stock has actually moved up. Otherwise you have these two support levels, or probably these three support levels right now, but the stock has been gone down to the lower end and again went back up. Okay, so now what we have here is this. Here you have your support level. You have lots of support level actually. So as you can see, there are multiple levels which one needs to look at, but the important thing to understand here is the range which we can consider for the time being is $30, 30.66 on the upside and 26.14 on the downside. So if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $31, in that case, which we are not considering right now, the stock will move up to $31 or $32 and then $33 or $34 on the upside. For the timing, we are not considering the situation. We are considering a situation where the stock will move inside a range which will be in between $26 and $30. Okay, now whatever we are going to see or look at, we are going to look at in between these two trading ranges. So we are going to discuss about that, but meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now just have a look at it, the way the stock has make a breakout or gap up movement. So from the lows of 26.54, it actually makes a gap up and went up to 28, then it's correcting a bit. So right now the stock is at its recent or immediate support level, which is 27.81, and below which you have a simultaneous support level at 27.61. Then you have 27.31. Going down, you have 26.57 and finally 26.14. So these are the important support levels which one need to look at. On the higher side, you have 28.53, where the stock has recently visited and falls down from that level. So this will be your next or upcoming target or resistance. Beyond that, you have 28.85, then you have 29.23, above which you have 29.53, and finally you have 30.66. So as I've already told you, we are considering a situation where we have 30.66 will be our target, big target, and your big support will come at 26.14. So let the stock move in between the trend, because as you can see here, the stock has been in the range since March 2020. It's been like 6 or 7 months that the stock is trading or ranging in between a trending range. So unless the stock decide that it wants to make a breakout or breakdown, so we remain inside the range and you have your support level. So the simple thing to do here is, if you want to go long, find a better risk reward place. If you want to go short, then use your stop loss or current stop loss accordingly and then take a decision. Okay, and be very disciplined, because short term trends are very volatile. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.